Hey guys, I gotta talk quiet. It's going on 3 o'clock in the morning, man. And guys, I can't sleep. Guys, I'm utterly ashamed of myself. There's no excuse. So I retired. I got Uncle Sam to give me my money back. I gifted myself a new rig. How long ago? 4.5 years ago? And what have I done with it? No, I'm talking about what have I done with QRP. Yeah, I've worked my QRP contacts here and there, sure I have. But man, back in the day, I disconnected the output PA stage in my rig and made contacts with the RF energy bleeding through 2 to 3 milliwatts. I worked Argentina. The solar conditions, no better than they're gonna be in a minute, or are now. Why did I get that out? You know what that is, don't you? Sure you do. It's a QRP transmitter. You dare me? You dare me? My signal might be a little chirpy if I key that thing. But do you dare me? I'll do it. I have an announcement to make, guys. I have a little announcement. And I try to be humble. And usually am. But when it comes to QRP, I don't believe I'm going to say this. I can work anybody. And I can beat your 100 watts doing it. I can beat your kilowatt doing it. You don't think so? I don't believe I'm doing this. In a sudden outbreak of arrogance. That's right. That's right. Give me 1 watt, I'll beat your 1500. You can have a Yagi. I'll take an end fed or a vertical. I'm going to beat you. And while I'm being an arrogant asshole, I've gotten quite good at editing videos. I'm getting better. I'm getting there. Here, let my outro be my announcement. I hope you're well. Oh, I'm going to wish I didn't post this. I hope you're well. I hope I can get to sleep. I'll talk to you later, guys. Be well. Bye now.